Hello everyone! I hope everyone is staying safe at home. Welcome back to my channel Veronica Vida Vlogger. So today I came up with a very big challenge for all of you. Ready है accept करने के लिए challenge? Veronica का challenge है, be careful. So challenge yourself to stop complaining and start appreciating. Are you a complainer? Be honest. Are you? Do you wanna stay being around with those people who always complain? Of course not. Even मुझे भी पसंद नहीं है and I hope कि आपको भी पसंद नहीं होगा जो always complain करता है. The act of complaining itself is a mirror image of a negative person, because when you utter words for complaining itself, you are using negative words, and that negativity impact your life. When you start complaining, believe me, you're full focused on wrong things rather than right things. Since we all are made up of energy, so your thoughts, your feelings, your words carry energy. So the vibration of complaining goes to the universe and grab all the negative things and bring them to your life. वहीं से आपके लाइफ में शुरुआत होती है नेगेटिव एनर्जी की. टू एक्सेप्ट दिस चैलेंज यू जस्ट नीड टू बी अवेयर एंड कॉन्शियस, दैट्स इट. और कुछ भी नहीं चाहिए इस चैलेंज को एक्सेप्ट करने के लिए. एंड डे टू डे, लाइक टेक ए डे full, it's solid 24 hour, and when you start complaining, just catch yourself and stop. Let me guess, how often do you complain? Tell me. I must say it must be big or much more than you thought or you think. Literally. So you just, for this challenge, to accept this challenge, the first step is to overcoming it and replacing it. यानी कि overcoming it and replacing it का मतलब मैं कह रही हूँ कि जब आपको समझ में आया कि ओके फाइन, दिस इज कंप्लेन, मैं इस चीज़ से नाखुश हूँ, रिप्लेस इट. अब रिप्लेस कैसे करेंगे? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू हैव लॉट्स ऑफ कंप्लेंट्स इन योर रिलेशनशिप, इन योर मैरिड लाइफ, इन योर पर्सनल लाइफ, राइट, replace it with the good things what you have in your relationship, the good things what you have or what you had in your married life, the good things about your life, about yourself. Yeah, so ऐसे replace करना है. Or the second example I must give is, for example, if you're not happy or if you always complain, you have lots of complaint with your company, with your boss, with your co-workers, with your co-colleagues, replace it with seeing good things about your company, seeing good things about your boss, see good things or appreciate things about your co-workers or colleagues, right? So okay, I will share my personal experience. I was working with one of the company, and literally, believe me, the day I started that company, everywhere is negativity. Nobody is happy. I mean, जितने लोगों से मैं मिली, nobody is happy. Everyone is frustrated. Everyone is angry. So the first day when you start working to some new company, and the first day you see these things, it start impacting you कि यार क्या बात है. Yeah, I agree. I mean, if all the people, like 1 to 2%, it's okay. If like 90% people are not happy, are all frustrated and angry, might be some reason, right? But then I know that those negative vibes should not impact me. Those negative vibes should not break my shield, what I have created, the positive aura around me. It should not break. So that's the reason. No worries. I mean, I see. I mean, I used to see, like when I start, I used to go to that company, and I start my day with a very big smile, with a lots of positive energy. No matter what, how is my colleague behaving with me, or how other co-workers are so negative or so angry, they are not with me, they are not angry with me, but then you know when मतलब जब आपका आपका frustration level इतना बढ़ जाता है ना, तब किसी और का गुस्सा आप पे उतरता है, you know, तो उनके बोल चाल में भी वो difference आता है. So but then I was very sure that no, this negativity should not impact me and my life, my personal life, my professional life, right? So that's the reason I used to started my office days, like मैं जब भी ऑफिस के अंदर एंटर करती थी, पंचिंग करती थी, आई मेक श्योर द स्टेप I put in front of the company, I would have a big smile in my face, no matter what, कुछ भी हो जाए. मुझे अपना दिन, क्योंकि हम 8 घंटे ऑफिस में रहते हैं, राइट? पूरा दिन तो अगर आप नेगेटिविटी रह जाओगे तो फिर बाकी का क्या बचा? सो आई वॉज वेरी श्योर, आई वॉज वेरी प्रिटी श्योर कि मुझे कंपनी में हंसते हुए जाना है, और when I'm ending my day, I should be in a very big smile, bye bye wala, right? So yes, I don't allow anyone or give a chance to anyone to make me unhappy, right? और आपको भी ये चांस नहीं देना है किसी को, nobody. So accept my challenge, let me know in the comment or DM me who are going to accept this challenge, and stop complaining and start appreciating, right? So be one of the positive person, appreciate what you have, right? Replacing those complaining words with the positive words, with the appreciating words, राइट? सो फटाफट से मुझे बताइए कौन कौन एक्सेप्ट कर रहा है चैलेंज, नीचे मुझे कमेंट में दिखना चाहिए, नहीं तो मैं स्टोरी डालना बंद कर दूंगी आप लोग के लिए. मस्ती करती, बट आई नो यू विल एक्सेप्ट द चैलेंज एंड यू विल कमेंट मी ऑन माई पोस्ट. बाय गाइज, स्टे हैप्पी, make sure keep smiling no matter what. You should be keep smiling like Veronica. Bye.